इसका मतलब है सबास फिर से पगार भी मिलेगा. Deal done? Okay. Balki, Shabana ji, thank you very much for those wonderful words. But Balki, you said, we are going to have a big surprise, and at IFA there's going to be a different change in how the billing is going to take place. Am I right, more or less? I think that's fine to do it in the movies, but what's important, it should start at home. In my house, my wife gets top billing. Thank you very much. You know exactly what happens. And in everyone's home, I think the women should get top billing. Shabana ji, you're trying to get 49% of the women of this country together. I think they're already together. What you need is to get the 51% of the other lot, you know who I'm talking about, to support the 49%, and then we are unbeatable. We have 100%. Thank you very much. तालियां मारो यार, अच्छा लगता है. इतना अच्छा सोच के बोला है. And तालियां for शाबाश. तालियां for कितना अच्छा अंग्रेजी में बोलता है शाबाश. कितना थोड़ा लंबा बोलता है लेकिन बोलता है. We love you. Say we love you. Shabash. Okay. And Wizcraft and IFA and all it does and what it stands for, and the sponsors, of course. And here I am. It's so wonderful to see, Shabana, so wonderful to see that in this row, the new lot of talent that's over here, all under 20, I think. It's so wonderful. Otherwise, we had, it's a new order. The old order, change it, yielding place to new. Welcome, Sushant. Welcome, Ayushman. Welcome, Preetham. And Balki. You're a young director. You're just 5 or 6 years in this business, right? Welcome. You're a young man. And Veer Das, of course, my friend, partner in crime. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to present a film. The name of the film is, with Talia, called Santa Banta. And Shabana ji, I'm so touched that you're clapping with one fractured arm also. She's doing this. So sweet of you, Shabana. Santa Banta is directed and produced by Cinetic Cine Films, and our director, Akashdeep. Akashdeep, please stand up and probably come on stage too. It'll be nice. The stage will hold you. Don't worry, Akashdeep. The moment you stand up, he stands up, you'll know. You think the stage will hold this man up? Yes. Akashdeep, our director, please come on stage. And soon after that, Talia. Co-produced by Viacom, 18, Santa Banta. Aiye, sir. It's a squeeze. Akashdeep, careful. Thank you. I play, in fact, I should mention, Akashdeep, your photos le lijiye. Santa Banta. Banta is played by my partner in crime, a fantastic comic, a fantastic new talent. You've seen him in Delhi Belly, and you've seen him in many, many more. Please welcome on stage my Banta, Veer Das. I would recommend that the boys come from that side and the girls come from this side. It's a little tricky. Please. Oh, anyway, come. Chalo, theek hai. Okay, that's nice. Thank you for sparing me that. Okay. And of course, I play Santa. My name is Baman Irani. Thank you very much. Along with us in this film, we have my friend, the beautiful Neha Dhupia. Aye. Also a friend of IFA, I believe, Neha. And she's looking lovely this morning. And ever since Sabah started speaking, it's become afternoon. So, good afternoon. Come here, darling. And please welcome another wonderful talent in this film, Lisa Hayden. Talia. Another member of our cast who is not here today, but he is going to be there with us at the IFA weekend. And he will make sure that his presence is felt, because his presence is very feeling. Ram Kapoor. And of course, we have Johnny Lever Sahab, Rajesh Hirji, Vijay Patkar as part of the cast. We have a wonderful cast. And Vijay Raz, Sanjay Mishra, all part of the cast. We'll see a lot more of Santa Banta being unveiled at IFA. What we are here to tell you is that Veerdas and I, darling, 2 मिनट रुक जाइए ना, 2 मिनट रुक जाइए, बैठ जाइए ना, मैं बीच में आऊंगा तभी वो फोटोग्राफ छपेगी, ये तो ये फोटो के छप, हाँ जी. What I am here to tell you is that Veerdas and I, Santa and Banta, not necessarily Veerdas and I, but Santa and Banta will be hosting IFA Rocks this year. And I'd like to just request Akashdeep to say a few words about the film. Please.